Mampintsha arrested over assault captured on Instagram. A South African musician Mandla Mampintsha Mafumulo has been arrested after social media outrage followed a viral video that showed him beating his partner, another musician. An Instagram post from the handle of his partner, Babes Wadumo, showed an angry Mampintsha repeatedly slapping her while sternly issuing warnings. The said video has since been deleted. Babes Wadumo, whose real name is Sakomlanishwa Dlanga, said she was traumatized by the episode and had opened an assault case against her partner. The police service confirmed the arrest, adding that he will be processed and will appear in court soon. The assaulted musician is however scheduled to address the media on Tuesday. South Africans took to especially Twitter calling for justice for the assaulted entertainer, Babes Wadumo. The government and opposition united in the call for action to be taken.